Hey guys, welcome back. Today will be a very simple, little, quick, easy repair. See that crack right there on the fuel tank? Pretty common crack right there. Basically, we're just gonna grind it out, weld it up. Gonna take an extra safety measure. We are gonna purge the tank with argon. There's a chance you can get away with not doing it, but I'm not interested in having a tank that size explode while I'm on top of it welding. So we'll purge it out with argon. I'll kind of go over how I do that, and then we'll probably purge it first and then grind it. All right, so we're gonna start with cleaning up whatever kind of debris, grease, oil, whatever we kind of can around the area we're going to work in. We're going to clean that up. We're going to take a line, stick it in here. We're going to put tape over all that. This is closed off. We're going to tape that off, and then we're going to use this as our vent. So we have pressure coming in, and basically argon is heavier than air. So as the argon pours into the tank, it fills up the bottom, and just like water would, it just slowly fills up and pushes all the oxygen out until it's pure argon. All right, get to cleaning this. Stainless steel brush. So to purge this out, we're going to be using a dual flow regulator. So basically it's just like a regular flow meter regulator, except you have two outlets that you can set to whatever you want. One goes to the back of the TIG welder, and then the other one is going to go through this line to here. So that'll just sit there, let that all fill up, and then I'll show you how to check to see if that's argon coming out. You see the one going to the welder, bounced up, draw back down. It's not being used. This one's filling the tank. We're at 35. Probably doesn't need to be that high. 25 is more than enough. Okay, so there's a couple ways that you can tell that your purge is successful. You're purging with compressed gas, so the gas coming out will be very cold, and you can feel the cold gas. It'll be noticeably colder than, say, the air that was previously in the tank, especially since it's at like 80 degrees outside. Another way is you could test it with a flame. Not necessarily blowing the flame out, it's just killed all of the oxygen around the flame, which makes the flame go out. So this is ready to go. We can start grinding and welding on it. I turn since it's purged, it doesn't need massive amount of volume, and there's no big holes in it. It's at about 10 CFM. So just enough to kind of keep keep all the argon in there, and so that no oxygen can come back through that hole. All right, we're gonna grind this and then weld it. Gonna try, I don't know if it's a good idea, but we're gonna try this diamond cutoff wheel. I was using it on some stainless and it seemed to work pretty well. So before it gets too messed up, I wanna try it, see if it works on that. It actually worked pretty good. I wanted to try that because my other option was gonna be a stone wheel. A stone wheel could definitely leave imperfections in there, and I feel like that diamond wheel is a lot stronger and less likely to leave any trace behind. So I like that. So we ground out way past the crack, tapered our ends. Now we're gonna probably wire brush it, and then yeah, should be good to go. Weld her up. To weld this, we're gonna use our old Synchro-Wave 180 SD on AC. Probably use 1/8 inch rod, 100% argon. That will work. Give her a quick brush. All right, well, that's it. Quick shot of the sending unit back in there. These turn to the correct orientation. Ready to go back to work. All right, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.